Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm pretty much going to show you several ways you can use a regular scarf as a head wrap and be stylish and cute and not have to deal with your hair. So in this first style, all I'm doing is folding the scarf in half because it's a little too long. The point is to make sure all of your hair is covered, so I like to pull the sides tight and bring it all the way to the front, as you guys can see here. All I'm doing now is a double-stranded twist until I reach the end. Once it is all twisted up, I'm just wrapping it around my bun. Now here you can play with it and see what style you like, but once it is wrapped, just tuck in any sides that you need to. Now the last step is just laying down your edges. You are officially done. So if you don't want to do the double-stranded twist, you can just do a regular twist and make things go so much faster. So just like I'm doing here, I'm bringing it all to the front and just twisting it up. Wrapping it around my bun, and then of course, after I wrap it around, just tuck in any sides. Now, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to show you the same techniques on 3 different scarves, different variety, thick, thin, a wraparound, and subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys later. Now I really love this style because it's like having a halo braid wrapped around your headscarf. My hair is getting long, which is why I have a pretty big bun, which is what you guys will see in a minute. But even if you have short hair, if you're just rocking some cornrows, some box braids, you can still wrap the scarf around your head and make it look cute and stylish.